So let's attach the sound into the button. Let's create the button first. And I want to have the click sound when I click the button. Let's create the empty object. I will call this audio source, and then same, we're gonna attach audio source component. Go to the button, go to the on click, and we're going to attach audio source. Be aware that we didn't attach any sound into the audio source yet. And then go to the button again, go to the function, you will see audio source over here. If you scroll down, you will see play one shot. And now is the time to attach our source. Select click, and now everything is ready. If you play, every time when you click the button, you will hear the sound of the clicking. Also, there is another way to attach the music inside of the button. Go to the function, you will see under the audio source, you will see pause, play, play delayed, etc. Here, if you put into the play, this time we need to attach the music inside of audio source. Here, I just attached it. And now if we start, same result.